Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have OMG daily update. We are going to see some beautiful stuff. Where are we going? What are the next price targets? And of course, before we continue, join our beautiful team, the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below and in the comment sections if you want. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits with an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. But it doesn't stop there. You will also get personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, manual system with buying and selling opportunities, and many more benefits. So what we have here for OMG, where are we going? You can see that right now we have the GANFAM line, and of course I have squared the target from the top we had on 4th October till the bottom on 10th October. Okay, and I have squared the chart because I wanted to see whether we are going upwards or not. Where are the lines? What are the resistance levels? GANFAM resistance levels are very important. They include the time, while Fibonacci retracement levels do not include the time. So the 1-1 GANFAM line is the most important out of all. Most likely, most of the times, okay, not every time, but right now you can see that we have gone above the 1-2, okay, so this is the 1-2, and we have gone above. So right now, the next resistance level is the 1-1 GANFAM line. Whether it will be on the 15.3 or on the 16 Tether USD, we do not know yet, but of course we will be hitting the 1-1 GANFAM line, and I think pretty sooner than we think, okay. So next resistance levels 14.6, in which we broke above. Right now 15.3, 16 Tether USD for OMG. Let's see a little bit. The MACD was going all the way down while the price was remaining stable. Of course, we had a correction right here, but you can see that we had a correction and now we are going upwards, but it was not a massive correction. You can see the price action of OMG. So we needed to correct a little bit before we can go further upwards again for OMG, that is, okay? So you should not be worried about that. And of course, right now we are going above the 14.6, next target 15.3, and we will analyze how much of impact it will have on going into the 19.5 Tether USD, the next target for OMG. Can we get there? Let's go to the risk metrics. On the risk metrics, we will be seeing anything but the RSI. Actually, we will only see the RSI and nothing else. Do not worry if on the commodity channel index we have an extreme overbought. Do not worry if on the stochastic RSI we have an overbought as well. Okay, the same goes for the Fisher transform. It is in an oversold. It is still in an oversold situation, and the RSI is not a bit in an overbought. It is between 30 and 70, so we have room to grow even more. We can go further upwards, so not worry about the commodity channel index being in an overbought or so. Okay, let's go right now to OMG on the daily frame. We should be having by now the buying opportunity according to the SL hybrid. No, we do not have yet, but I think we will pop. It will pop off a blue arrow right here. Okay. So right now you can see on the daily, we have the RSI in a very bullish pattern right here for OMG, and it still goes, and the stochastic RSI was going down. Now on the daily, we focus on the stochastic RSI more. You can see that on the daily frame, we were going into an oversold while the RSI was staying high. This meant that the altcoin has still its strength to go even higher. Okay, so you can see that the Fisher transform right here was falling down below the zero, which is the zero line, the default line between oversold and overbought situation, and we were a little bit into an oversold situation. Let's go now to OMG Bitcoin chart. You can see right there, if I just draw another Fibonacci retracement from this top down to this bottom, we are still pretty fine, and we want to see whether we can go even higher up to here, the 0.30s, 26.83, 28.97. Okay, next price targets. I do believe that we are going, of course, to the first target. We can go even to the second target, and here we had a massive breakout. We had a very extreme oversold on the OMG Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour frame, and this is the reason we are going up as well. Let's go to OMG daily frame. On the daily frame, we had the stochastic RSI in an oversold. Here, the stochastic RSI went into an oversold situation, while on the OMG USDT, it didn't. Okay, so we had an oversold situation for OMG Bitcoin chart, and now we are going back to the 4-hour frame, to the price analysis. So what we are going to do is to redraw the Fibonacci retracement. Of course, you saw before the Ganfan line, so I do not have to go through the Ganfan line again. Now we are going on the 1-1, so the 15.3 and the 16 Tether USD are very, very achievable. Okay, and you can see now we want to find the next price targets for OMG. And what do we have right here? We have the 15.3, 16, and of course the 17 Tether USD. Can we go even higher to the 19.5? Yes, we can. However, we need to be a little bit careful for now because we haven't minimized the risk. But I am it is very actually possible, and I'm very optimistic that we can go to the 15.3, 16 Tether USD. Yes, we can go there. We can go even to the 17 Tether USD, but apart from that, if you ask me, can we go further upwards? I will tell you, I do not know yet. Okay, yet we are not sure that we can go further upwards to the 19.5. Although this bullish 4-hour frame candle was very good in order to say that we can go even higher, and the fact that we went above the 20-day and the 50-day EMA. Right here, as you can see, we had some huge sell pressures on the OMG. In the last bullish candlestick on 6 October, we couldn't get past above the 20-day EMA, but now things have changed and things are better for OMG, right? So I do think that we can go to the 15.3 and the 16 Tether USD. Do not worry about these minor sell pressures right now on the 4-hour frame. Do not check the charts all the time. Nothing that matters. For now, we have the 15.3, 16, 17 Tether USD. Yes, we have chances to go in the 19.6. However, I think we need to close above the 17.5 for OMG in order to say that we are about to get to the 19.6 Tether USD for OMG right now. Next price targets 15.3, 16 Tether USD, 17 Tether USD also for OMG, and I do believe that we can get there. We can go even higher for OMG, and we can surpass the previous high we had back on the around 4th October. Okay, I found it. 4th October, 18.233 around there. And of course, we can go even higher for now. Just have in your mind these short-term targets. If you want to buy right now, yes, you can do it. Not a financial advice, that's my personal opinion. And of course, strong Bitcoin will help go even higher. We do not want to find a huge crash test right here because we are in an extremely important resistance level. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription, link in the description and in the comment sections, and of course you will get easy profits. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.